Hello everyone, this is the Rohde Schwarz HMC8043 triple output programmable power supply first impressions video. I'll open the box now. The box is not very big and it's not very heavy, which is good. Inside the box we find two cables. One of them is for Great Britain, the other one is for the European connector. We have a user manual, and what is this? I have no idea what this is. Oh, calibration certificate. Nice. Okay. Good. And here we have some kind of a flyer. It doesn't matter. And we take this out. Then again, just like with the multimeter I previously showed you, we have this strange thing that keeps the device from floating around in the box. And here it is. The Rohde Schwarz triple output programmable power supply. We see 1, 2, 3. We can see a lot of stuff going in there. We have a warranty seal. Nice. Then this is the back of the product. I don't have the GPIB option installed. Okay. The only thing that I noticed is that if you put a cord that is sideways here, it will block the interfaces. So the only option you have is to use this cable. Okay. And you know what I say? Don't take it apart, turn it on. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is take off this annoying protective cover on the display somehow. I hope I don't break it. Almost have it. Damn. Okay. This will be an experience for sure. One of them unpleasant experiences. Okay. How the hell do you get this thing off? Maybe I'm missing something. Okay, forget it. I will do it later. I might break the screen. So this is the first time I will power up the device. First thing, I have to turn on the switch that is behind the device. Okay. Up. It turned on. Look. There is some kind of a light inside there. What the hell is this? Maybe it's the aliens. The aliens are coming. Save yourselves. Okay, now let's press this button here. You know, I think I see an arrow on this protective cover. Okay, never mind. So what do we see here? 1 volt, 1 ampere. Nice. Okay. How do I choose things here? Channel 1. I want to change the voltage. Ah, right. I can change. I hear no sounds. Probably the speaker is off. But look, the setting resolution is 1 millivolt. Nice. Okay, let's set 3.3 volts. Okay, now I want to change the current. The interface looks good, you know. You gotta be kidding me. Ooh, 100 microamps resolution, just like in the datasheet. Good. Now let's set 500 milliamperes. Good. And now what do I do? How do I confirm it? Okay. And now let's turn on. Let's see if there is any voltage. By the way, the test leads, you've got to buy them separately. So I made one myself, just not to buy it. Okay. And let's see. Let's see the voltage on this thing. I have currently set 3.5 volts. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm back again, and look, I have connected the multimeter, but there is no voltage on the output. So what do I have to do now? Maybe I should read the manual. Okay. Channel 1 output. Maybe master on off. Okay. Okay. Look, the setting turned green. Now look. It outputs exactly 3.3 volts. But how did I turn it on? Okay, this is very strange. I click on channel 1 on and off and I see no output. But if I press master on and off, then the output turns on. But what is the point of having 3 separate buttons? Okay, never mind that. Now let's put some current on. Okay, so look, I have connected a resistive ladder and I'm putting some current, 70 milliamperes, 100 milliamperes, and so on and so on. 136. Very nice. The display is lit in green, so I guess this is constant voltage mode. First thing is, I don't know how to get rid of this thing here in the menu. What do I have to do? Maybe I have to press oh, I have to press the return, probably. Yes. Oh, good. This is better. Oh, okay, so this just selects the channel. This, I have no idea what this button do. Okay. If I press the master on off, oh, it doesn't turn on, so you have to press this button and that one. Okay, maybe it's logical to somebody, but not to me. Okay, and now what do? Let's see how it behaves when we short circuit it. I will put 0 ohms here. Yep. There you have it, 500 milliamperes. And it's red. I want to tell you that the display is magnificent. Of course you cannot see it from this crappy camera, but the display is very bright. I like that. Okay. I hear no fans. That green LED is still on. Okay. Let's see how the power supply behaves at higher voltages. You know, when we set higher voltage, the voltage reading in theory should be worse. Let's put it at the end. Okay, 32 volts. What will happen if I try? No, I cannot. Good, no error messages. Just stops here. I like that. I hate error messages and windows displaying unneeded messages. Okay, so let's put it at 32 volts. Now let's enable the output. Let's see what will happen. Sorry, I'm pressing the wrong button. What will happen with the voltage reading? One second. Okay, now I have put 32 volts and the voltmeter says 32 volts. Very good setting. considering that we are at the end of the range of this supply. Now let's try to put some loads. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. Oh, we are current limiting. Good. Maybe I should put some more current. Let's put 1 ampere. Can I put it? Yes, because 1 ampere. Can I put 32 volts 1 ampere? Yes, because here you can see that it says 33 watts maximum, so this is within limits. Okay, the other thing that I wanted to see is whether this thing is responsive towards the display update. Okay, so I will put some loads on the supply and let's see how it behaves. I would say that the response rate of the meters is very good. It updates instantly. Good. Now let's short it again. Up. Good. Okay, now I know that you want to measure the noise of the supply, but currently I don't have short leads for tests. I have those long 1 meter leads, and here is my setup, and look, my Rigol shows 10 millivolts RMS. I don't have band limit turned on, and peak to peak 40 millivolts, which is quite a lot, but I must say that this setup always displays lots of noise in my supply. It doesn't matter which supply I put, I always get those results because I have a lot of things connected on my mains socket, and yeah, this is not the correct measurement setup. Maybe if I turn on the band limit it will be better. Yeah, now it's 8 millivolts RMS and 30 millivolts peak to peak, but then again this is not correct measurement. But interestingly, you can see that there are some switching that can be seen. You see this thing here, this thing, and this thing. Maybe this is the update rate of the ADCs of this supply. Who knows? Okay. Now let's test the transient response. Okay, I have connected the special circuit here, electronic switch and resistive load for 5 volts 1 ampere, and I have set the current limiting to 1.3 amperes and the voltage to 5 volts, and when I turn on the output we can see that my time base of the oscilloscope is 500 microseconds, and we can see that the transient response settles within 500 microseconds. Okay. And what about relays? I cannot hear any relays clicking anywhere. Let me set the voltage. The response with the encoder is very good. We have no problems with that. And no, the power supply does not have any relays clicking, which is good to me. Sometimes it's annoying to have many relays clicking all the time, and we didn't hear relays clicking during the current limiting either. Okay, now let's see if we can turn on tracking. Can I turn on tracking? Oh, it's very easy. You see what I did? I just pressed the track button and turn on the respective channel. Okay, so this is you cannot click on all of those channels, so this is channel select. Okay, and then we can track all of them simultaneously. I should really read the manual. Okay, never mind that. Track. How did I do it previously? Maybe I cannot track. Oh, okay. Well, doesn't matter. As you can see, there are digits here in the numbers, so maybe we can set the voltage with those numbers, but up to now I cannot figure how to do this. You hear it? There is a beeper inside it. Nice. Help. No, I don't need help. Setup. Okay, the setup. We can choose the interface, Ethernet, USB, and USB virtual COM port. All three available without any additional payment or so. Okay, and I should really read the manual. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Okay, PS, how do you turn the tracking on? You press the track button and then you say I want to track channel 2 and channel 3, and then there you go. Everything tracks beautifully. I want to turn off the tracking from channel 2, then channel 2 is discarded. And one more thing that is interesting and worth noting. I bet you think, how do we get these 33 watts limitation? Well, look, if I put the maximum current here on channel 1, if I put 3 amperes, and then if I start raising the voltage, look what will happen at 12 volts. Up, it changed automatically. Okay, so you don't have to worry about the power limit. The power limit is automatic. And one more thing, if you press the voltage setting and then if we press shift, then you have this menu where you can use these keys here to set the value of the voltage, let's say 12.5, and then you say volts, and there you go. And same goes for the current. You press shift and then you set the current. I want 2.15 amperes. There you have it. Okay, and that's about it.